No trades for me today. Took 2 losses this week. We're still up for the month. We're still up for the year. I believe that manifestation is a real thing. I've been doing it for years. There is no plan B. You have to already mentally be living the life that you want to live for you to be in that position. Alright guys, I am live. We are live. I'm waiting for this long on US 30, waiting for this pull back into this fair value gap, and then we will be taking longs on US 30. So I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, it's Friday morning. Done trading for the week. No trades for me today. Took 2 losses this week. We're still up for the month. We're still up for the year. It is what it is. In trading, you're always going to take losses. There's no way not to take losses. So that's why I always stress to you guys the importance of risk management. As long as you can manage your risk properly, then there's nothing wrong with taking losses. You're going to take losses in trading. But as long as you manage your risk properly, there's nothing wrong with taking losses. We'll be back next week. I will be continuing to document my journey for you guys. I'm currently in the process of passing 3 50K accounts. I have one 50K live funded account, along with trading all my personal accounts. So I will continue to document that and share my progress with you guys. If you haven't already, sign up to the VIP chat. I'm trading live every morning, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So sign up, link is in the bio, and come trade live with us daily. All right guys, about to hop in the car. What car do you guys think I'm gonna hop in? Ready for the reveal? This is a Stingray 3LT. Alright, I know you guys want to hear the cold start, so let's get up in here and start it up so you guys could hear it. Alright, ready? I'm about to start it. Super loud. No back seat. Not really any trunk space. You could put your phone right here to charge it, but you don't really got too much room for stuff in here. It's 10:30. I was gonna go to Chick-fil-A for breakfast, but I missed it, so it is what it is. So it's 10:30. I'm gonna get some breakfast. Let me turn this down so we don't get copyrighted. So I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Then I'm heading to the studio. I do have a quick meeting with a client that I'm supposed to meet with one of my students. Have a quick one-on-one. We're gonna do it in person, so it's not gonna be a call, but I'm gonna have a one-on-one session to go over some trading stuff, review his trades for the past week, and just give him some feedback and help him keep growing. So that's one of the things I'll be doing today. Guys, so in trading, not every week is going to be a winning week. Not every day is going to be a winning day. You are going to take losses in trading. I took 0 trades today, took a loss yesterday, 0 trades Wednesday, took a loss Tuesday, and I won a trade or 2 trades Monday. So I'm at 1 or 2 wins for the week, 2 losses for the week. Still up overall. Yes, it was a setback. It was a minor setback. On one of the trades, the trade yesterday, I honestly risked a little bit too much, and it's because I accepted my risk. I was willing to risk a little bit more on that trade to potentially make more, and it's fine. I didn't over risk. I didn't risk too much to a level where it would put me in a bad spot if I lost that trade, but I upped my risk because I was willing to take the risk, and I was confident in the trades, and I took a loss, and it is what it is. That's part of trading, guys, so I'm not upset about it. It is what it is. I'm ready to come back next week and just perform and just continue trading and do a better job. It's very important to keep your mentality in check. Also, my birthday's next weekend. My birthday's next Sunday, so we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do. I don't know exactly yet, but it's gonna be lit, so I will make some form of a vlog out of that. Me sitting here talking to you guys about my week and how it went, and how I'm about to go to the studio, have a meeting, and again, how all of these things in my life intertwine. That's pretty much what this video is about, but let's get up out of here. Should I drop the top? I might drop the top real quick. Yeah, this Corvette is a convertible, as you can see. Sunny out here that I'm not gonna lie, I might have to ride with the top up. I did want to put it down, but fuck, it's way too hot. If you haven't already, sign up to VIP where you could trade live with me daily, Monday through Friday. The link is in the description. I want to talk a little bit about manifestation. I believe that manifestation is a real thing. I've been doing it for years. I believe a lot of the things that I've achieved in my life and a lot of the things that I've went after that took me a long time to acquire, that I didn't know how I was going to get there, or how I was going to do it, or how I was going to get that thing, or how I was going to get to that place, or how I was going to meet that person. But I didn't give up, and I did anything I can. So I did whatever I can to get in the position I wanted to be in, and I constantly do that, whether it's putting myself around people that are living the life that I want to live, or it's putting myself around the things that I want to be around in my life. I have a manifestation journal that I write in, that I've been doing for years, where I presently write in where I want to be in my life from a present point of view. Like, I'm already here, because I believe you have to already mentally be living the life that you want to live for you to be in that position. Staying disciplined as a trader is another thing I want to talk about. Look, I'm driving a Corvette right now. Okay, so let's relate risk management and trading to driving responsibility. Both require focus. Both require patience. Am I right? Both require the right strategy. You have to do things the right way. Why do most traders fail, and how can you avoid it? Well, simple. A lot of traders don't have a strategy. A lot of traders are just gambling with the markets. They're just jumping in and out without having a strategy that's going to allow them to consistently extract money from the financial markets. Some people are over trading, oversizing, so they're just opening these huge trades and they're just overdoing it to the point where they're not strategically trading, they're just gambling, and they've done it so much that they've lost so much money that they have such a big threshold to make back before they get into profit. Trading has given me the freedom to experience the life I want to live, and the luxury of experiencing different things that I've always wanted to experience in life, while being free and not having a 9-to-5 job that I need to clock into or anything like that takes my time. I make all my money by working for myself, essentially. And for me, that's always been more important than anything. I rather make a small amount of money and make it myself through my businesses, doing what I want to do, whether it's trading, through my studio, doing music videos for people, whatever the case may be. Even with my luxury rentals, even with the rentals that I do now, with car rentals, yachts, private jets, the modeling agency, bringing girls to music video shoots and big brand shoots. All of these things that I do, these are things that I enjoy doing, that I've developed through my experience and my skill sets and my network. And this is what allows me to make a living and to pay my own bills and to live free and not have to clock in, not have to work for somebody, not have to follow somebody else's rules. Life is on my rules. I make my own rules. And I like that. That's why I live this life. That's the reason. That's the driving force and what pushes me to hustle and know that there is no plan B. I don't have a job that's going to pay my bills if I don't go out here and make money. I don't have a family member that's going to come and step in and pay my bills if I don't go out there and make money. So it's my only option. I have to go out there and I have to make money. I have to go on the charts and I have to perform. I have to go in the studio and I have to perform. I have to do these things. These are my obligations. These are my responsibilities as a businessman, as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, and as a trader, right? If you're a trader, you're a money manager. If you're a money manager, you're running your own business. If you're running your own business, then you need to be on top of your business, just like any other business. What does it take to become a profitable trader? Guys, the time that I experienced, that I put into being on YouTube, into paying for mentorships, the money that I spent paying people, paying for mentorships, paying for people to teach me their strategy, paying for people to teach me things that I already knew, paying for people to teach me things that I didn't know. But the time that I spent to invest into learning trading, from the time I spent on the charts, to the time I spent with different mentors, to the time I actually spent learning, the time that I spent on YouTube actually learning terminology, learning different strategies, learning different patterns, learning everything there is to know, learning about all the different markets, different brokers, learning about forex trading, learning about stock options, learning about futures trading, learning about crypto. There is so much to learn, guys, and there are so many ways to make money. But I completely immersed myself about 5 years ago now. And the past 5 years, I have acquired so much information when it comes to trading that at this point it's simply about applying it. And if you want to be successful, you need to apply the knowledge and experience that you obtain when doing something. And that's exactly what I've been doing with trading. That's what's allowing me to see the results I'm seeing. The sacrifices I had to make, time spent with your girlfriend, time spent with friends, time spent and money spent going out and bullshitting and doing shit that you really shouldn't be doing when you're in the position you're in life. I cut that shit out, guys. When I cut that shit out is when I really started seeing growth. Drop a comment below if you're grinding to become a full-time trader. I want to know, guys, what is your biggest trading struggle right now? Are you currently actively working to become a profitable trader? To become a full-time trader? Is that what you want? What steps are you taking to achieve that? What steps are you taking to put yourself in that position, guys? You understand? The discipline that it takes, the consistency that it takes, not everybody is built for this lifestyle. But the ones that are able to persevere are the ones that are going to succeed. And I'm one of them. Are you one of them? Another one of the harsh truths about trading, guys, it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. A lot of people think they're going to jump into trading knowing nothing about it and just get rich quickly and make all this money. I always have people that want to, hey, teach me how to trade. I need to make this much money by this period of time. Or people ask me to give me money and trade for them so they can make X amount of money by a period of time. I'm like, guys, that is one of the biggest misconceptions in trading. That is not how it works. What do I mean by that? Well, trading takes time. When you start learning trading, it takes time to develop the skill set. You understand? Like, you have to learn so many things about it. You have to learn all of the ins and outs of it. Like, you're not going to just start playing basketball and on your first day you're just wetting threes. That's not how it works. You have to learn how to dribble first. You have to learn the proper techniques to even going up and down the court. You have to learn how to shoot. Like, you have to work on your shot. You have to, all these things, like, there's so many things that go into this, and people don't understand that, and that's one of the biggest misconceptions is trading. And I don't want people to come into it expecting to make money quickly and not willing to put in the actual time that it takes to be successful. 1% every day adds up. If you understand consistency over time in trading and the concept of that, then you understand that you could take losses and keep going and still be consistently profitable. You can take back-to-back losses and still be consistently profitable, but you have to have a proven strategy that works. You have to have a win rate that allows you to still be profitable when you include your losses, and you have to psychologically be prepared to take losses and continue trading and understand that it's part of the game, and not let that defer you from what it is that you know that your goal is, right? Because sometimes taking a few losses back to back can have a significant impact on somebody negatively. It can make you feel like, you don't know what you're doing, or like, why am I taking these losses? Maybe my strategy doesn't work. Maybe I need to change my strategy. No. If you know your strategy works, you're just losing a few trades. That doesn't mean your strategy doesn't work. If you win 7 out of 10 trades and you lose 3 out of 10 trades, but you lose 3 trades in a row, you're going to start winning trades after that if your proven strategy tells you that statistically. So you have to psychologically understand that, and you have to psychologically be prepared to take losses and psychologically be prepared to move like a robot. Like bro, you have to understand that the markets are against you, and you have to understand that only those that are mentally prepared and truly have an edge in the market are going to succeed in trading. That's why they say 95% of people lose. 90%, 95, 98%, whatever the fuck it is. A lot of people lose in trading. It's a small percentage of people that are successful in trading. And I'm telling you guys why they are successful. I'm telling you guys, and I'm showing you guys how they are successful. I am one of them. I'm becoming one of them. I'm scaling my income. I'm scaling my consistency. I'm scaling my profitability. And I'm showing you guys how to do it firsthand.